Juby, are you okay? Are you okay, Juby? Juby, are you okay? Are you okay, Juby? You've been hit by, you've been struck by four Hokage. Dun 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 dun. Ow! What's up, everybody? This is Brian D. Free, and I'm coming with my review of Naruto Chapter 631. Now, I'm supposed to be coming with my review of Naruto Episode 314, but 313 was so bad with the character Yoda that I cannot bring myself to even watch the episode. So this is my non-review, and so I'm not really gonna review that. But back to Chapter 631. Chapter 631 was so incredible. It was monumental. It was epic. I give this chapter an A+. I mean, there was so much going on in this chapter. I mean, you've got Naruto and Sakura. You know, Naruto saying Sakura's his girlfriend, and Sakura, you know, not really putting up a fight about it. You've got Minato going into Kyuubi mode. You've got the Hokages doing the sealing technique that they were doing. You've got Sasuke coming out saying, I'm going to become Hokage. And it's like, what? I don't think so. You know, and it's like, all these incredible things are happening. So, it makes me wonder, and this is what makes the episode incredible too, is that it's like, if all these things can happen, how in the world is Jiraiya, my main man, why isn't he there? You know, he should be there. It's like, if you can bring everybody else back to life, you can bring Jiraiya back to life. And, I mean, this is an incredible episode, incredible chapter. So, definitely give it a thumbs up. Now, because I didn't review Naruto episode 314, I do have a review for a movie that I went and I saw. It's called Oblivion. It's with Tom Cruise. I was trying to see the Superman movie, but I didn't realize it wasn't out yet, so I went and I saw Oblivion. And you know what? It was a good movie. I give it a B-. It's a science fiction film, and it's definitely something you want to see on the wide screen, so that, you know, you can get the whole movie the way it's meant to be. And it deals with the end of the world. Now, one of the things I think about when I see this movie is, you know, so many movies have been coming out about, you know, the end of the world. Well, and people are trying to prepare for the end of the world. You know, you got these doomsday preppers and all this kind of stuff. But you know what? People are not really prepared the way they should be prepared. The way to be truly prepared for the end of the world is by being prepared spiritually. And if you read the book of Revelation, that can help you to be prepared for the end of the world. And actually, the book of Revelation is awesome because it says that it will give you a blessing if you read it. If you read the book of Revelation, you actually will get a blessing. It says it right in the first chapter of the book. So, what I want you to do is go ahead and pick up your Bible, read the book of Revelation, you know, and you'll get a blessing, and you'll understand how you need to be prepared for the end of the world and what's really going to happen at the end of the world. So, thanks, guys. This is my review. Hope you have an incredible day. Thanks for listening. You guys are awesome. Alrighty.